Hi, my name is Doug Schlimmer. I'm the maintenance legend in Walled Lake, Michigan.
The thing I like about my job is that I get to do things that nobody ever likes to do. And that's how I like it.
My favorite part about the job is the people. They are what makes this job.
My favorite part about my job would be the satisfaction of fixing things and making our residents happy.
It's not a cookie cutter job. Every day is something different.
I take pride in what I do here. What I love most is the people that I meet and the people that I'm doing maintenance for. That is what make me, enjoy doing what I do.
Nick goes above and beyond on a day-to-day basis and goes the extra mile to help the property, the community, and all of our residents.
I make them feel like they are family. By example, that resident who husband was dying, they wanted me to come up so I can pray with them. And we all said prayer together, and and he wanted to say his goodbyes. And I say about 30 minutes later, he had passed away. And the reason why I'm tearing up now is because I lost both of my parents. And they was there for me, both of them. Therefore, I try to be more than a maintenance guy here. I give everything that I got.
Being from a different country, I know what it's like to move to a strange place and want to feel welcome. So I try and help people feel as comfortable as possible in their new home.
David knows the property like the back of his hand. He is a very heartfelt person. He's just like a dad to everybody.
Over the course of the Christmas, we had 19 pipe breaks, which affected 67 apartments in total over the course of 3 days.
And David worked basically 3 days nonstop, helping people get someplace else, doing whatever he could.
I asked my wife first, and she was fine with it because she knows how much I care about this property.
It's wonderful for me as a manager to have someone that you can rely on in that position. Lucky and blessed.
Winning this award has made me really proud, and it's something that'll stay with me for the rest of my life.
I guess I love people, really appreciate people, appreciate life. And it's something genuine. It's nothing that I have to pretend or anything.
What makes Harry a maintenance legend is Harry's commitment and passion every single day.
There was a car that was left in an attached garage running for 12 hours. So there was literally deadly levels of carbon monoxide on all the unit. So I have to hold my breath and literally go apartment per apartment and get the people out of their units. Instantly, I knew that if I didn't do anything, the fatalities were gonna be countless in there. Later on, we find out that literally every unit has 3 to 4 times the deadly levels of carbon monoxide.
Harry does everything. He just literally inserts himself to help. He's just that passionate, and he's that type of human.
So I'm like this, and I owe who I am to my father. He went above and beyond providing for us, and that's kind of like my anchor in there to do the same thing for other people.